Adventures. Today is inside my shop day. It's probably would have been okay going in the woods, but I'm not going to go in there today. It's a little windy. It's about -2 degrees Celsius here in southwest Nova Scotia. So today I'm going to be playing around in my shop here and just I think I'm going to build a bird feeder. We had a store-bought one and it kind of came apart after a few years, so we don't have a bird feeder, and we'd like to feed the birds around here and keep them all happy and in the springtime. So but first of all, I built this table saw sled, and I never had a chance to square it up. I built it rather quickly one day, and I've used it, but I know it's not 100% square. So I got this, how we're going to do that today, I've got this piece of stock, just a piece of pine. It's about 9.5 inches. That side doesn't really matter as long as it's a decent size. So I've got all the edges marked, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass this through the table saw, cut number 1, and if it's off a bit, cut number 2 obviously is going to be off a little bit more. Cut number 3 is going to exaggerate it some more, and cut number 4 obviously is going to get it some more. So then we'll put a square on it and see how far off we are. I'm assuming we're going to be off, but let me make those cuts and then we'll check with the square and see how off we are. So I made my cuts and I put my square, and this is what I've got. Can you see that gap right there? That's how off we are. We're tight up here, gap down here, and we're tight all along here. So this was cut 1, 2, 3, and then cut 4. So we got to make some adjustments. Okay, after trial and error, as you can see, we've got it squared up finally. So she's pretty tight here, and on cut number 4 she's pretty tight. So we're going to screw down the sled. We're going to screw down that I just got a few screws there holding it now, but we're going to screw that down solid from underneath, and then we'll be good to go. So I got some of my pieces cut out here. I got this is going to be the side pieces. This is the bottom platform, I guess, and another side piece here. So just to give you an idea, this is going to go like that, and I'm going to attach that together. Same one on the other side, and then we're going to put a roof on. But I got to cut some grooves down into here and on both sides, on both pieces. So I'm going to get some plexiglass and slide it down to keep the bird seed on the sides here, keep it contained, and have it open on the bottom so the bird feed will come out through. So anyhow, that's where I'm at. I'm just going to give these pieces here a quick sand, and then maybe cut those grooves and start putting the base together, nail that down, and we'll go from there. Probably wouldn't hurt to give these a bead of glue and some brad nails, hold it in place. and then we'll do our we'll do our notches or goes in the side pieces. We got our good old Type Bond 2 wood glue, awesome glue. We're gonna put a bead on there. I got a brush here somewhere. The cut here, I want about 3/8 of an inch for my groove in my side pieces. Get the grooves cut, but we can't. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure the thickness of plexiglass. I'm gonna have to get some first before I can attach these. And then I'll cut. I might have to widen that notch a little bit, and then we'll be able to attach these and put the roof on. I think I'm going to put it on some kind of hinge so I can get in there, fill it up. It's a big bird feeder, but we got lots of birds to feed. Anyhow, until I get the plexiglass, there's not much we can do. We'll let this set up and dry, and then we'll continue on. Well folks, as you can see, I found me 2 pieces of plexiglass. So now I can cut those grooves in my side pieces. Now I know the thickness of the plexiglass. And the only other problem is I got to figure out how to cut that plexiglass, but we'll figure it out. Perfect fit. Excellent. Now, Now, I don't want this plexiglass to go all the way down. I want this plexiglass to stop. I don't know, let's say an inch or two, couple inches. Enough to get the bird feed to flow underneath without getting. So I got this birdhouse here partially assembled. As you can see, give you an idea here, I think you can see the plexiglass. It's going to come down, it's got a gap down here, so once the roof is on, I'll be able to, once I fill the bird seed up, I'll get that other plexiglass in there in the other part of the roof, and then probably put that on a hinge, and then once it fills up, the feed can come out through the bottom of the plexiglass up on both sides. I got the other piece cut there, and I got the other section of the roof, I guess. So all there's left to do now is give her some coat of paint or some kind of protection, because it's going to be outdoors, so we want it to last a little bit. So that's about it. That's the old bird feeder. Hopefully it'll keep the birds happy. Anyhow, that's going to be it for today's video, so hope you enjoy. If you like these videos, please subscribe or hit like or share, and you can put some comments, good or bad, don't matter. Anyhow, until next time, be safe and get outdoors when you can. Take care. Bye.